Receivables expense. At 30 September 20x4, a company's allowance for receivables amounted to $9,500, which was equivalent to 5% of the receivables at that date. At 30 September 20x5, receivables totaled $217,000. It was decided to write off $7,000 of debts as irrecoverable. The allowance for receivables required was to be the equivalent of 5% of receivables. What should be the charge in the statement of profit or loss for the year ended 30 September 20x5 for receivables expense? Answer: irrecoverable debt written off, $7,000. Increase in allowance, $217,000 minus $7,000 times 5% minus $9,500 is $1,000. Total, $8,000.